Hey everyone, Mike from O Suite Hospitality here, and today I'm going to show you real quick how to use AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude to create a dynamic email signature that will impress all of your clients and friends as well. So this is perfect for small business owners, restaurateurs, anyone who wants their emails to look professional, branded, and click-worthy. So let's dive in. So step one, we're going to ask AI to help us design our signature line. I'm going to start by prompting Claude something like this. I like using Claude in a lot of these situations because I feel Claude gives a better creative returns on things like this, so that's why I'm using Claude. I'm going to start off with the prompt: create a professional HTML email signature for a restaurant owner named Frankie Piezone using my brand colors, and we can insert our hex codes here. Let's see here. Let's find some hex codes to use, huh? I'm going to use these ones. Go back into Claude. And we will insert our hex codes here and include any links to my social media website and a call to action that says order online. So I'm going to grab a couple of those. I think I have a few things set up here. And we'll go plug those in here. Here are the links that I would like to use. And we'll just hit return. It should generate the code instantly, and the cool part is you can obviously still tweak it. You can say make my logo smaller, or add my Facebook and Instagram icons, or change the button color to match my red. It can all be personally designed to whatever you design and whatever you can think of. It's pretty slick. So here it's actually come up with the code as to it's got our email signature up here. Your images won't show up in the generator, but when you copy and paste the code, as I'll show you in a little bit, those will show up. This also has a how to use this email signature attached to it, which is great, but I'm going to ask it to remove the instructions so that I can copy and paste just the code that I need. So, alright, so that got us just our email signature here. One thing I'm going to want to do, I want to make sure that it's dynamic and that it adjusts to all different formats like website, mobile, or desktop, mobile, and tablet. So I'm just going to ask Claude to make sure that that's happening. So we'll give it a minute here. It's going to go back. It's going to revise this code real quick. And it should give us a nice dynamic email signature for us. Sometimes it takes a little time to think. That's all right. Perfect. All right, so I'm just gonna copy that code and boogie on out of Claude here, and I'm going to find my text edit function. We're going to create a new file. In here, you're going to want to be sure to go up to Format and Make Plain Text. And in there, you'll just paste the code that Claude or ChatGPT just gave you, whichever one you are using. Either one will work fine. Again, I just think that Claude gives a better artistic view of things, in my opinion. So I'm going to just save this quick to my desktop, and desktop, no extension. You want to unclick this no extension if provided use txt, because we're going to want to save this as an HTML. Email.html, you're going to want to make sure to add that to there. And now that that is saved, I'm going to come over here. I'm going to open with Safari, Google Chrome, whatever your favorite browser is. And you can see here, for some reason my profile image did not show up, so I'm going to go on here and we're just gonna find, yeah, this looks good, Al Pacino. I'm gonna copy that image address, go back into Claude. We're gonna ask Claude to replace my headshot with this URL, or this image. That shouldn't take too long. Easy peasy. Let's try this again here. You could just go in, find where it is in this code, and replace the link as well. That'd be pretty easy if you're comfortable with that. You know, that's entirely up to you. Depends on your level of capability, but it's also very easy for Claude to handle that for you. So now we've got our Frankie Piezone, restaurant owner, link in bio, order online, blah, 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 with our Pizza Pacino. So that's pretty sweet. Here we're going to do Command A, and then, so that selects all, Command C. Next, you're going to go into Outlook. Going to go to Outlook Settings, Email Signatures. I'm going to add one. Name it Piezano, and just I'll delete that. Control V, or Command V, and save. Let's close back out of that. Let's see here. So we're going to change that email to Piezano. Boom, just like that. We've got our email signature line installed, ready to go. I'll leave instructions for how to do this on a Windows app, and instructions for how I did this on a Mac in the comments section. So yeah, make sure you can send yourself a test email message. Right, let me do that here. Send us a text to make sure that it works. You want to make sure that the links work, obviously, throughout the message, that the images load, and that it looks sharp in both light and dark mode. That's one thing you might want to go back in and prompt Claude or ChatGPT to check out
for you just to make sure they will handle it for you. I'm going to download the external images. See, like here I've got this button text to order online does not work. It doesn't show up. It's a light pink on a red. It's not good. So I'm going to have to go back and adjust that. But I mean, that's the beauty of using AI, is that it'll instantly troubleshoot and regenerate code for you. So it's slick. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've created a custom branded HTML email signature that looks like it came from a design agency, all thanks to AI. So if you found this helpful, and I hope you did, just please hit that like button. And for more digital tools for restaurants and small businesses, be sure to stay tuned to my channel. So I appreciate you. Sweet marketing, superb hospitality, full seats, and full inboxes. We'll see you soon.